let's talk about some silver. Alright, hello everybody, my name is Mcclendon. If you guys are new to the channel is about business, money, investing. I go over a lot of details about how to get into the markets, talk about, these two, gold and silver. I'm sorry, it's just silver. And I just go into a lot of details. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, drop a comment, and let's get into it, guys. So this chart right here is about silver. Now silver has made a little dip. I made a previous video about this. I've been buying in this dip right here. Now I've been buying in the ETF market, which I will show, and also on the Forex market to catch this movement up. Basically just hit it on MetaTrader, and also on another ETF. But what I like about this dip, gives us another opportunity to get into the precious metal market. And I will go into just a little more details about silver. So if you guys got any questions or comments, please drop them below me if I don't cover them. But let's get more into dive into SLV. So SLV is the ETF that buys silver. Apparently, I don't go into this just for the silver. I go into this because it's very close to the actual spot price. It's a good time to buy, in my opinion, right here to get pull up. I've been buying all the way down here. I made multiple videos about this, but if the big banks want to give us a break, or, if they want to give us some time to get into the market again, I'm going to take full advantage of it and jump right into it. And so let's jump into some other details about silver. So we're at the silver 100-year price. Now we're going to take off inflation adjusted and also just go on the chart right here. And you can see, since we went off the gold and silver standard, we've been pretty much just been inflating away in our purchasing power, which I will cover in this video about the dollar purchasing power. And about how much the dollar's been going down in value and how much precious metals is being soaked up all that energy and increasing in dollar and the price in dollars, or actually in all other currencies too. I won't cover the currency part, but I will cover this a dollar. So not the dollar, but silver. So let's see what else is happening to silver. So we look at the silver. So we look at the silver Dow ratio. So what is this? How many ounces of silver is to get 1 ounce of the Dow? I mean, 1 share of the Dow, if you put in that perspective, right? So right now we enter our recession, and we're sitting about 1,171 ounces of silver to get 1 share of the Dow. If you open it up bigger and bigger and bigger, you see which one's overvalued, which one's undervalued. In my opinion, when it comes to silver, silver is undervalued and the stocks are overvalued, measured in that way. Now remember, when you're talking about silver, this guy, or other precious metals, you want to measure in something else. You don't want to measure in dollars. You want to measure how to see if the Dow is measured in this, is real estate measured in this. You want to make sure you do that so you can see basically it'd be wealth cycles, just like this. You want to buy when it's low, sell when it's high, and just keep on doing this. Or short if you are into that kind of stuff. So we'll check out the other thing about silver to oil. Now, is silver overvalued in oil? This is a really good chart to determine that. It's just show you another example of how to measure something other than in dollars. And we get our best, one of my favorite charts that I go over all the time is the gold silver ratio. Please check this out. It's just absolutely amazing that we were at 115-ish, almost up there, and now we're heading back up to where we're at. So it takes about 82 ounces of silver just to get 1 ounce of gold. Now, for me personally, I like to own about 300 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold. I think the up move for gold is going to go up, but I think the up move for silver is going to be it's going to be better, and help me and my clients out even more. The next thing is, look at the dollar. Now, I'll show this other charts, guys. Please pay attention to this, because you can see since 1913, since the Federal Reserve was enacted, the dollar purchasing power has been decreasing more and more and more and more. So if you guys remember that meme, about how you see a shopping cart with $20 in 1960s, and then you see a shopping cart in 1980s, 1990s, and 2000s, you can barely buy anything. So the dollar is losing purchasing power. And that's why it's important to understand more about these things, about silver, so you can basically educate yourself more about the markets. So that's just a basic overview about silver. If you want to find more information about silver or gold, just go to my website, andremcclendon.com. You can learn more about what I do for my clients, and how I help them. Learn about trading, learn about Forex, learn about stocks, and how we can get into the markets and do it as a team. Alright, and our next thing is, if you want to learn more about gold and silver, click that gold and silver up on the top. This little box will come up. Please watch this video if you're thinking about buying precious metals. It will definitely help you out as a how-to guy and how to inspect the metals. So basically, you want to make sure that this silver 10-ounce Troy bar is real and not full of copper inside. You don't want to get blindsided by that kind of stuff. I have a bunch of very cool links that you guys can check out. So please click on them, check it out, create a free account. If you want to be a subscriber, just hit me up on Facebook or any other social media, or drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And actually, I got to this part right here that's really going to help you out. So I do have my own little small academy. I usually do, I do like 99% of everything live on Skype. But for here, I go over really good videos to help you guys understand more about just understanding money. So there's about 13 videos. There's other parts of the academy you guys want to learn. But that is the video, guys. If you want to find out more what I do, just DM me. But I hope this brought some insight about where precious metals, specifically silver, is going. And I think it's going to much higher. And how much I buy, 300 ounces for every 1 ounce of silver, 1 ounce of gold. And if you guys want to find out more, you know, or if you guys want more, just drop a comment below, share this video, get this video out there. The YouTube algorithm is not showing me any love, so you can show me love by sharing this video. And thank you guys for making it to the end. I'll see you guys on the next video.